Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're having an awesome and wonderful day today. I want to wish you today a marvelous day, and I want to really appreciate you and thank you so much for always coming to my channel to watch my videos. And I want to welcome you to HairArtistry Styles, your go-to channel for the latest braids hairstyle, the benefits and expertise to keep your braids looking flawless and stylish. Whether you're looking to elevate your style with trendy new braids or want to explore the endless possibilities of protective styles, our channel has you covered. Join us on this journey of creativity and self-expression and fall in love with the art of braiding all over again. In today's video, I'll be talking about the best and splendid Yanky Twist Crochet Braids hairstyle for every African woman in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you are new here, I really appreciate you for watching and coming. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. The Yanky braids. The Yanky Twist Crochet Braids are a popular and stylish protective hairstyle perfect for African women in 2024, combining the elegance of twisted braids with the convenience of crochet braiding. This style is both fashionable and practical. The Yanky Twist features thick textured twists that mimic the look of natural African hair, offering volume and bounce. One of the key advantages of Yanky Twist Crochet Braids is their versatility. They can be customized to suit individual preferences, whether you want short twists for a quite casual look or long, flowing braids for a more glamorous style. The hairstyle is also easy to style, whether worn loose, in a high ponytail, or in an intricate updo for special occasions. These braids are not only visually appealing but also serve as a protective hairstyle that shields natural hair from environmental damage. They help promote healthy hair growth and require minimal maintenance. Women can enjoy the look for weeks with just a few simple care routines like moisturizing the scalp and protecting the braids at night. Overall, Yanky Twist Crochet Braids are a stunning, low maintenance and versatile hairstyle that suits every occasion. From casual outing to formal events, this trend will be in a standout look for African women in 2024. Finally, I would like you to take your time and watch the video and embrace the amazing style of Yanky Twist Crochet Braids, and ensure that you see that yes, you can pick one of the styles and use it for your hair. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit this bell icon, and I will see you in my next video and my upcoming videos. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful day. Bye.